Alluri Sitarama Raju, an Indian revolutionary, led the Rampa Rebellion against British rule from 1922 to 1924. Born in 1897, he became a symbol of resistance against British oppression in the Eastern Ghats regions of Andhra Pradesh. Raju mobilized local tribes angered by the 1882 Madras Forest Act, which restricted their access to forests. Employing guerrilla tactics, he waged a fierce battle against colonial forces, earning the moniker Maniam Virudu, or Hero of the Jungle. However, on May 7, 1924, Raju was cornered by the British Army in the forests of Chintapalli. Captured and taken to Koyuri village, he was tied to a tree and executed, becoming a martyr for the cause of Indian independence. His legacy lives on, immortalized by a bronze statue unveiled by the Prime Minister on July 4, 2022 as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata, was a prolific poet, writer, philosopher and Nobel laureate in literature. His compositions include India's national anthem Jana Gana Man and Bangladesh's national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla. Among over 2,200 songs he wrote in his lifetime. Tagore's literary journey began early with his first poem and short story published when he was just 16. His Nobel Prize-winning work, Gitanjali, originally in Bengali, marked a historic moment as he became the first non-European and Indian to receive the honor in 1913. Tagore's vision for education led to the establishment of an open-air school in 1901. Evolving into Vishwa Bharati University with campuses in Shantiniketan and Sriniketan. Shantiniketan, now UNESCO World Heritage Site since September 2023, embodies Tagore's philosophy of holistic education, while Sriniketan focuses on agriculture and rural development. Tagore passed away on August 7, 1941, in his childhood home, the Jorasanko Haveli in Kolkata, leaving behind a lasting legacy in literature, education and culture. Established on May 7, 1960 by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, the Border Roads Organization is a key road construction agency headquartered in New Delhi, operating under the Ministry of Defence. Its primary objective is to fortify the nation's borders and enhance infrastructure in remote northern and northeastern regions. With a presence in 21 states and 1 union territory, the BRO extends its operations beyond India's borders, collaborating with countries like Afghanistan, Bhutan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Working closely with the Indian Armed Forces, the BRO plays a crucial role in ensuring connectivity and security in border areas.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On May 7, 1945, Germany's unconditional surrender marked a pivotal moment in World War II, though it officially took effect on May 8. The surrender followed the suicide of German dictator Adolf Hitler. World War II, spanning from 1939 to 1945, resulted in the loss of over 60 million lives. Hitler's demise signaled the end of a dark era, alongside the fall of Benito Mussolini's regime. The conflict began with Nazi Germany's invasion of Poland on September 1, 1939, triggering declarations of war from Britain and France. Ultimately, the war concluded on September 2, 1945, after Japan's surrender, catalyzed by the devastating atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States.